Okay, good morning class.
Good morning, sir.
So today we're looking at Bodmas primary. Basically I just labeled it like this so that there is another Bodmas worksheet coming. Okay. So we're looking at Bodmas primary book A, worksheet 1. Every book basically has 3 worksheets, as you can see in front of you there. In the description box below you'll get a link to the worksheet as well. Okay. So the question says, so we're going to just do the odd numbers in these videos. The even numbers is going to be your homework basically. Okay. So the question says calculate, write the intermediate steps. Now what does intermediate steps mean? Must basically show you're working out. Okay. You all okay with that? Okay, so number 1 says you have 5 minus open brackets 3 minus 2. Close bracket. So what needs to be done first according to Bodmas here? So we have brackets and we have subtraction. So what must be done first? I'm always going to refer to this here. So it's going to be brackets first. So it's going to be 5 minus, what's 3 minus 2? 1. Okay, now we got the subtraction. And what is 5 minus 1? 4. Do you all understand? Any confusion? You must let me know when I'm going to pause. Okay. You look at number 3. Number 3 in the sum, what do we have? We have brackets and subtraction. So again, what must be done first? Brackets. So from left to right, that's the order in which we're looking at. Okay. So the brackets first. So it's going to be 10 minus. What's 8 plus 2? 10. And what's 10 minus 10? 0. No to 0. It's fine. Let's look at number 5. We again have multiplication. We have division and brackets. The division is inside that the bracketing. So according to Bodmas, what must be done first? Bracket. So it's going to be 10 multiplied by, what's 15 divided by 5? 3. Now we have to do the multiplication. So 10 times 3 is? 30. Did I need to have this bracket here? No. Once we write that as one number, we drop the bracket. You all okay with that? Who got that sum wrong? You all got it right. Okay? Look at number 7. Question 7. So what needs to be done first here? There's brackets and there's division. So what needs to be done first? Brackets. It will be 20 divided by, what's 50 divided by 10? 5. And 20 divided by 5 is? Okay. Any confusion? No? Number 9. This again brackets and subtraction, multiplication as well. So what must be done first? Brackets. Okay, so you see me underlining. Okay, why do I underline? Just to show that's my first step I'm going to do. Do I have to underline? No, you don't have to. But make it a habit so that we can see what you are doing. So later on there will be no brackets. Okay, so it will be 3 multiplied by 10 minus 9? 1. What's 3 multiplied by 1? 3. Who says 1? Okay, so you guys understand, eh? So any confusion? No? Look at number 11. Here we have multiplication, brackets and subtraction. So what must be done first? Brackets. So it's going to be 3 multiplied by, what is 18 minus 12? 6. And 3 multiplied by 6 is? 18. Any confusion here, people? No? So now I want you guys to move on to the next worksheet. Worksheet A, book A, worksheet So you only do the odd numbers for me. I'm going to stop this video at this point. Okay? We'll pause it at this point. Alright, so now we're looking at worksheet 2 of Bodmas Primary. Book A, worksheet 2. Okay. So again, calculate the right intermediate steps. Which means to say again, you must show all your working there. Alright. So according to Bodmas, that's the order of operation here. So in the sum here, in number 1, we have brackets and we have subtraction. So what needs to be done first? The brackets. So it's 7 minus 3 minus 1 is 2. What's 7 minus 2? 5. Alright. Let's look at number 3. Here in the sum we have brackets and we have multiplication. So what needs to be done first? The brackets. So 7 minus 2 is 5 and 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, you all agree with that? Any confusion? No? Let's look at number 5. In the sum we have division, we have brackets and we have addition. So what must be done first? The brackets. So inside the brackets the addition. So it's going to be 100 divided by 10. People do not say 10 divided by 100. Or do not write first 8 plus 2 is 10 and then you say 100 divided by 10. You don't do that. Okay? You see this, the procedure I'm following here, the steps I'm following. You do it the same. Okay? So that's going to give you 100 divided by 10 is 10. Okay, you all understand? You got the sum right? You also with us. Where did you go wrong? Sorry? You got it right. So if I ask, you got it right, must put your hand up. Otherwise I'm going to ask you where you went wrong. Okay? But now also don't lie to me, because I'll be trying and correct your misunderstanding. Okay? So don't be shy if you got it wrong. I'll try and explain why you should be following a different step. Okay, in the sum we have division and brackets. So what needs to be done first? The brackets. So it's going to be 10 divided by, what's 50 divided, 100 divided by 50? 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Let's go to the next one. Number 9. In the sum here, we have brackets, multiplication and subtraction. Brackets, multiplication and subtraction. So what needs to be done first? The brackets. So it's 2 multiplied by 3 minus 2, 1. 2 multiplied by 1, 2. Alright. Look at number 11. In the sum we have brackets and addition and division. So what needs to be done first? Brackets. Addition is inside the bracket. 21 plus 6 is 27 divided by 3. What's 27 divided by 3? 9. Who got that sum right? Okay, nice. Number 13. Number 13 we have brackets, addition and multiplication. Brackets, addition and multiplication. So what needs to be done first? The brackets. So it's going to be 22 times 30. 22 times 30. So again, it's going to be 30 times 22. So that's going to give you 0. 2 is 6. So that's tens. 0, 6. So 0, 6, 6. But if you know, or you could have done that shorthand, you can do that as well. Doesn't matter. So the answer is 660. Who got that answer right? Okay, so you're all still with us, no? Number 15 is the last sum in this exercise, in this worksheet. So in the sum here we got brackets, division, multiplication. So what needs to be done first? The brackets. 18 divided by 3 is 6. And 6 times 12 is 52. Who got that sum wrong? You got it right. Alright. So at this point for homework, I would like you guys to do book A, worksheet 1, the even numbers, and book A, worksheet 2, the even numbers. You're going to start with that now because I'm going to sign the books as well. Okay? You guys know what to do, no? This is also homework for tomorrow. Okay, yes, Michael. Sorry? The next 5 learners can go.